Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Good morning or good evening, depending on what time you're listening and where you are in the world. Now, today we're gonna talk about a scary bridge known as a flat bridge. Now, if you've been in Jamaica or you're Jamaican, you know about this bridge, right? And you probably have jitters trying to cross that bridge yourself. It's not an easy bridge to cross, as many would say. Many would say that their heart pounds so bad when they're crossing that bridge. You've heard so many stories about that bridge claiming so many lives. But have you ever wondered if the myths that you've heard are true or simply just myths? For those who don't know and for those who need to be reminded, we're going to tell you the four popular myths of a flat bridge. But before we do so, let's talk a little bit about the bridge itself. So the flat bridge is a beam bridge across the Rio Cobre at the A1 road, connecting the Jamaican capital Kingston with the North Coast tourist area of Duns River and Ocho Rios. It is one of the oldest bridge in Jamaica, so people normally cross it to go over to, the Bagwalk side and Linstead side. There's several other roads that you could take there, but people normally take that route, especially if they're going that side. Now, sometimes the bridge gets flooded and people have to take the alternative route to get to where they need to go, right? So let's talk about how the bridge was actually built and who built it. Have you ever wondered who built Flat Bridge? Well, as you know, the bridge is in the parish of St. Catherine. It was constructed after 1724, and Edward Long described it in his History of Jamaica, printed in 1774. The bridge is flat and composed of planks on frame of timberwork, which rests upon two piers and two buttresses projecting from the banks, constructed with piles and braces interlaced with masonry. When this bridge was being constructed, the 16 plantations in the Bagwalk area were obliged to send one slave in every 50 to work on the river road, sometimes called the 16-mile walk. Gravel, marl, lime, sand, and stone had to be dug. Slaves often lost their lives as they performed dangerous tasks in the gorge. Contracts for timber and for masons to work on the bridge were authorized at meetings. Between 1881 and 1915, the floor of the bridge was washed away and later refloored with iron girders and buckled plates taken from the original flooring of the May Pen Bridge. Today, the bridge of three spans is supported by two piers and two abutments. In the 1930s, it had metal handrails and later wooden ones, but these were devoured by the river at different times. Semicircular spears are now the only protection on the bridge itself. So as you know, it's one of Jamaica's oldest bridge. So this is why a lot of people don't like go over it. There are really no protection and it is known to have claimed a lot of people. Now let's talk about the myths. What have you heard about Flat Bridge? We've heard about duppies, we heard about mermaids. So let's get into it, right? Now the first popular myth or thing that we say about Flat Bridge is the duppies of Flat Bridge. So enough people believe that Flat Bridge is the place that duppies gather, which is the slave who died, right, during the construction of the bridge. So people believe that the slaves who died while the bridge was being made, them gather right at Flat Bridge. So nearby residents believe it is these duppies who caused the accidents there and pull the vehicles into the river. They say that when the water turns into the color of a green lizard, the duppies are going to pull somebody in. Wow. Have you heard that myth? Do you believe it? Let us know in the comments. Now, the second one is mermaids live in the river. You probably heard of the popular folktale River Mama. I actually wrote a story about that and I can't wait to release it as well. But let's speak about River Mama. It is believed that mermaids, or River Mama as they are called in Jamaica, live in a bottomless hole just below the bridge. Many believe that the mermaids are the reason each attempt to establish railing on the bridge has proven futile. So people say mermaid them get rid of the railing and so forth, right? So that's why we can't really have a good proper railing there. I know. Myth or fact? You tell us. Now, the third popular one is that the pillars were built with dead bodies. During construction, as you know, the plantation around Bagwar area was required to provide one slave in every 50 to work on the bridge. And as we mentioned prior, many lost their lives building that bridge. And some people believe that those bodies were used as foundation for the piers. But according to what they're saying, truth is the two piers that support the bridge are constructed with piles and braces, as we mentioned before, right? So let us know what you think. And the final myth here is the goal table. You probably heard that as a child growing up about River Mama, and you probably hear about the goal table, right? You remember those tales? Now, according to what we're seeing here, legend has it that there is a gold table in the water on the flat bridge that, surfaces on the hottest day at noon in the river. So they're saying it comes up at noon on the hottest days in the river. Clinton Black's Tale of Old Jamaica recounts a story where 24 bulls and 6 screaming slaves drowned after they tried to retrieve the table under the instructions of their plantation owner. Wow. So they're saying that 24 bulls and 6 slaves drowned because they tried to retrieve that golden table because their plantation owner told them to. That's phenomenal, right? All those myths gets the creativity going. But let us know, guys, what do you think? Do you believe any of these? Or what are some of the things you've heard in Jamaica similar to what we've shared here? We would love to know. What else would you like us to cover? Any duppy story, any area that has a rich history of tales and supposedly myths? Let us know in the comments and we'll definitely cover it for you. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed this piece. Do remember to like, comment, share up the thing. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. And we're looking forward to sharing more with you. Zine?